Oh look, there it is. 240. Holy sh. I gotta do this car right. Check it out. We're back from Mississippi. Here it is. The slick top coupe. Man, this thing is sick. I don't want to get rid of it already. I'm pumped on this car right now. Pig nose car. I don't even know what build date it is yet, but Series 1. This is original paint on the car too.
That was a lie.
Like a lot of it's not in that great of shape, but like there's a lot of it that is in good shape. And like, man, dude, check this out. Look at the carpet.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
You probably can't see it, but I can. It's not ripped. It looks so clean. Like, yeah, the fenders have a dent. There's a little tiny ding right here. And then there's kind of a...
Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Larger dent right here, but that could legit easily be pulled out. Like, I can get that out, clean that up, easy.
The car is not perfect.
Car, it's sick. Like, I'm happy right now with this car. Little ding right there, no big deal. Is this a ding too? No, it's just a clear coat. But yeah, we're gonna dive a little deeper into it, see what else we find. I'm gonna get the trunk open, maybe peel some carpet back, see what the car's actually looking like, and go from there. All right, so right now we're just cleaning. That was everything that was in the trunk. It's a full Series 1, like AC kit and everything. Random interior panels, I think that's what's missing from inside. What do we got up here? Random like oil cooler. Plastic for the taillight. Steering column bezel. Glove box. We're just gonna get most of the stuff out of the car for now, just so I can like clean it out and stuff, because I'm probably gonna pull the interior. I want to vacuum it out. Ooh, random bolts. Throw that there. It's random ass like chrome plastic conduit. It's funny. Over here. This is pretty cool though. He had the trunk, everything full of parts obviously. But look, he had this cover on here so that nothing got dirty. And look how clean the carpet is underneath. I mean, it's not perfect, but I can shampoo that out with my brand new shampooer that I just bought. Look. Real chunks. Let's peel this up. Man, you probably can't see anything. I need to get a light, because I can see, but I know you can't see. I just waved the camera like it was a flashlight for me to see. As I'm telling you, I can see. My flashlight died, so let me go grab another one, dude. Like, the lighting's horrible, so like every time I go to look on the camera, it's like you can't see anything, and I'm like, well, okay, let me rethink this. Look at this, it's still got all the plastic. I'm gonna leave this in condition, you know, not rip it. Well, this is already kind of ripped, never mind. Yeah, I'll just rip it, but dude, there's no rust anywhere. It's so clean. Here, let's take the spare tire off. Has this thing ever even been off? When was the last time they pulled this off? In 1995? Probably never. Like, look at those cobwebs. What kind of cobwebs are those? Those are like ancient cobwebs. They've been there so long.
Yeah, this thing on here. I'm pumped to see this. Alright, come on, snap my fingers. Jeez, this sucker's long, man.
Dun, dun, dun. Wow. That's so sick. This is just paint bubbling. Look. I can peel the paint up. See? No rust. No rust. That's so crazy. I don't want to touch that. It looks like nice stuff. I don't want to touch that. There's a bunch of rat shit in here everywhere. Is the rocker rusted down there? No, but there's a bunch of rat shit down there, like a lot. I'm talking about like heaps of rad shit. Oh look, we got tool bag and tools. I just ordered one of these bags brand new from Nissan, just in case. But yeah, I can't find any rust yet, so this is solid purchase. I guess I'll just like, once I start cleaning it up, I'll just set the camera up and, you know, we'll go to town on it. But look at this carpet. Look at the carpet. It's a little dirty, but like I said, I got my shampooer now. That ain't nothing. Man, I'm keeping this car. Sorry, but I'm keeping this car, guys. Wow. Alright, that's it for now. Man, I haven't found a good coupe in a while, so I'm pretty excited about this one. It's super nice from what I've seen so far. I've gone through the car a little bit, just like pulling all the parts out of it, going through and checking the usual rust spots, and man, I can't find nothing yet. The car was like super hard to push because one of the brakes were locked up, so I put it up on jack stands earlier and got up underneath the car. Underneath this thing is so nice. Like there's not even like grease and stuff caked to everything. It's got heads up display, heads up cluster, obviously. Both of them work. I checked them last night. So that's cool. I put power to everything. The pop-ups work and all that. Windows work, auto and everything on them work. All the random interior that's missing is all in here. Random parts everywhere. Came with like stock KA stuff and then more SR stuff. Brand new intercooler kit for SR and piping kit. But yeah, that's it so far. Tonight I got the shop somewhat cleaned up. I'm going to, I got a spot for this car right there, I'll put it there. But for tonight, I'm just gonna leave it out here in the middle. I'm going to go through the engine a little bit and see if we can get this thing running. All right, so since this is a fresh SR20 swap, the dude literally just bought it, put it in here, didn't know how to wire it. So what we're doing, it's still got the OEM plugs on it, 180SX plugs. You can tell because it's got this third one. These other two are the same. What's different though is the wire locations. You see on this one how the big black and red is on the outside. Well, on this one, it's 2 in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna de-pin these plugs, get the wires in the right corresponding spots, and this is how you do it. Watch. This is how you find it. This is all I did. SR20 wiring guide. Oh wow, right away we got some information. And then we're just gonna go here. Look, wire diagram guide, FR Sport, and then this is the whole thing. You just gotta do a little bit of research. It's easy. I mean, I have a lot of this written down in like books and stuff, but it's just super easy. Just type in Google and boom, we're here we are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap over these pins, get everything in the corresponding spots. I'm gonna check the fuel pump, see what the fuel pump situations look like. What I'll probably do is just rig up my thing, but I don't know if I have gas in the can. This thing will need gas anyway, so I'll probably have to go get gas and hook up some fuel lines, and then after I get this plug done, I guess I might do the cluster plug too, just so that I can see if the gauges work, like the RPM signal. But really I just want to get this thing started. So like I said, I'm gonna swap over these wires and then we'll report back. Alright, so I just finished wiring. I pulled the fuel pump and this is what I found. So I got the makeshift fuel pump and line set up. I'm gonna pull the spark plugs next, clean the spark plugs, put some ATF in the cylinders, turn it over by hand a little bit, throw some oil in the engine, then we'll be ready to start it up. Alright, I honestly have no idea what I just filmed last on this. But fuel system, probably already said that. I took the spark plugs out and got some ATF in the cylinders, turned it over. I put some fresh oil in it too. So we got some good oil in there. Sucker turned over really good. It sounds super smooth. All the pistons were crazy clean. Like they were still silver, like no carbon buildup on them or anything. So this thing should be in really good condition. Like I said, I just finished turning it over, so I'm gonna take the brake bleeder and suck the ATF out of the cylinders that I got in there, the excessive amount of ATF, so we're done just burning off ATF when we start it up. But after that, yeah, that should be about it. Fresh oil, lubricated upper cylinder walls, we got fuel, and that should be it. Like I said, engine's wired up too. I'm not gonna worry about wiring the dash plug right now. It's unnecessary, to be honest with you. Might have to start it with a power probe because I'm not sure if the starter wire is hooked up. They look like they might be though. There's some plugs in right here. That's a starter plug, but we'll see. We're almost there. So I got everything back together. ATF sucked out, coil pack's back in. I replaced the coil pack harness. Because rats. I had rats chew it up, and look, no rats. So there's that. Here, I'll give you a sneak peek. Check this out. Every time I try to put pressure to the fuel system, another line blows. So I'm gonna replace these fuel lines real quick, and then we should definitely be good to start up, as long as nothing else, as long as like the O injector seals don't like fucking blow out next. All right, so this is where we're at so far. More and more of a mess every time I open the camera. But seriously, we got spark. We do not have injector pulse. That's what the issue is. We got a bad injector driver in the ECU. It's not putting out injector pulse. I put a different cam sensor on there, or just plugged a different cam sensor in and just spun it by hand just to see if the cam sensor wasn't putting out signal for it, and nada. Still nothing. So I got to try a different 62 ECU. I don't have one here with me, but Alex's car is here, so he said I can use his real quick and try. So I'm gonna go grab his. We're gonna hook it up, and then after that it should start, because that's all we're missing is injector pulse. Thing runs good. No map, no intercooler piping, don't matter. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking the seats out, just getting like most of the stuff out of the car, because I want to pull the carpet because like there was rats under there. So I gotta vacuum it and everything, and we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. Look at me go. All right, I got the interior out, or the seats out. Got this side of the carpet vacuumed. What I'm doing now is I'm vacuuming the carpet, pull the rear seats, vacuum the trunk, clean out the trunk, vacuum under the seats, and then clean up the floors, see what everything's looking like, and then maybe I'll break out the shampooer and shampoo some stuff tonight, because I haven't used it yet. I forgot, while I'm here, let me try to get a flashlight real quick. Shit. All right, here's one. All right, look. We got a bunch of acorns from friggin' squirrel, I guess. We just gotta hope it's not rusted underneath it. It's only this corner, so that's good. Not that corner over there. But this is why I always say, you never know if there's rust in these cars until you pull the carpet, because you can't see from the bottom if it hasn't gone all the way through. But I mean, hey, look what I found. This, it's not like bad. It is a little pit, a couple little pits, because there was like a insulation that was just like sat there and wet. But like, look how clean the metal is around it. So it's just a tiny little spot, but the quarters look dumb clean, like they've never been in an accident or repaired. And those ding marks on the back. So there's no rust anywhere in the corners back here. I got all the plastics out, because see, like they like to make nests back there. They take the factory insulation and they make nests, and then when they piss in them, it rusts the car out. But this one, I don't see any rust yet, besides that one little bed there, and I think that was their piss bed. Look, it's right here. So I'm gonna keep digging. I'm gonna vacuum all this. Hey, what's up? You already know I'm horrible at filming. Look at me go. I fucking got the whole inside of the car cleaned out, all the interiors out, got the side panels out and everything. All the trunk is cleaned out. There is no rust anywhere. Like, if there's rust in this car, that's like what it looks like, and that's not even rust. But other than that, man, this car's looking super nice. I love it.
Hey guys, that's gonna be it for this week. But if you don't know, I'm in the process of moving my entire shop right now, and it's been a real hassle. So once I get into my new shop, I plan on doing 2 uploads a week and actually getting into some step-by-step refreshing content on these cars. I own about 15 of them at the moment, the last time I counted. So these videos are just going to be a little rundown of the cars that I have and what to expect on the channel in the future. So thanks again for watching, and subscribe for more.